In this video, I'm going to show you how to add mileage in Zoho Expense. Now to do this, first you want to go to Expenses over here on the left, and then here you want to click on the New Expense in the top right, or you could click on this drop down arrow and click on Add Mileage, okay? So it doesn't really matter because when you open this, you can switch up top yet again. Now when you are inside Add Mileage, you can see you have two options. You could either go ahead and type it in manually here on your web browser, or down at the bottom, it says you can record mileage expenses the easy way using the GPS in the mobile app. So in case you are interested in that, you can just click on Learn More over here, and it's going to open a separate tab explaining exactly how you can achieve this inside their app, okay? So if you want to use that, go ahead and do this. We're just going to go and use the manual way right now. Now first you can go and attach receipts from your computer or cloud in case any are relevant, and then you can go to Report up top and of course add a report. You can type in the expense date. I'm going to do yesterday over here. Then you have to put in the category. For me it's going to be fuel/mileage expenses, and then here you have to basically calculate mileage using either distance traveled or odometer, okay? So it's completely up to you. I'm just gonna go distance traveled, and then I'm actually going to put car as the vehicle type, and then distance is gonna be in miles over here. Now as you can see here, you can go ahead and type it in. So for example, let's say I did 20 miles, and here it says rate per mile, so you can change this as well if you have it anything else. Like for example, you could do, I don't know, maybe 0.40, save, and there we go. It's going to be of course like 40 GBP, 0.40 GBP from now, and then here you have the amount. As you can see, that's now the amount which has been calculated, and then you can also claim reimbursement if you want to or not. Add a description and a reference. So I'm just going to do a trip over here. Reference is going to be 2, and then I'm going to click on save and close. Now whenever you do this, as you can see, your expense has been recorded and it's now under fuel/mileage expenses. So that's how to add mileage. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.